tries this says the same thing. I need more. Let me show you why. Today, we're making the easiest tortilla wrap. Wait till you see how easy this is. Let's start cooking. Add some cooking oil, then add our chopped ginger and garlic. Next, we add our onions, fresh tomatoes, and red chili, and give everything a good saute until beautifully combined. Did you know? Garlic and ginger don't just add flavor. They also help tenderize meat naturally and boost digestion. Next, we add our beef or chicken, if that's your preference, and let it cook slowly as we sprinkle in paprika, masala, turmeric, and salt. Give it time to soak in all that goodness. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and let me know where you're watching us from. And here comes the magic touch. A splash of soy sauce for that deep, slightly smoky, exotic flavor. Once everything is perfectly cooked, we set it aside and move on to our wrap. In a bowl, we'll add 2 cups of flour and half a teaspoon of salt, then slowly pour in warm water as we knead. Take your time here. We want a soft, smooth dough. If it starts sticking, just rub a little oil on your palms. Problem solved. In the village, I love mixing the dough with my hands. It just feels more connected and natural. But if that's not your thing, no worries at all. A dough mixing machine can come in handy and do the job just as well. After 15 to 30-minute rest, our dough is ready. We divide the dough into small balls and brush them lightly with oil to keep them soft and flexible. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us share more tasty recipes with you every week. Your support truly means the world to us. When it comes to kneading, my mother always says, the softer your dough feels, the softer your heart, because cooking is love made visible. She has taught me so much in the kitchen, especially how to make tortillas and parathas, the simple Indian flatbreads that carry both tradition and comfort. Now we roll one dough ball into a circle and gently press it into a bowl to create a sunken space. This is where all that delicious filling will sit. Did you know? This bowl method helps seal in the juices and keeps your wrap extra moist and flavor-packed when cooking. Next, we fill it with our beef fry, then roll another dough circle and place it right on top to cover. Don't overfill the wrap so that it doesn't burst when flipping. Next, use a fork to seal the edges all around, nice and tight, so nothing spills out when we place it on the pan. Onto a hot pan it goes, and remember our 30-second flip rule. This helps the wrap cook evenly and stay beautifully soft inside while turning golden and crispy outside. Once done, we slice it in half and voila! Spicy, rich, and so satisfying. You can dip it in your favorite sauce or enjoy it with a hot cup of tea for breakfast or brunch. And trust me, one bite won't be enough. If you love this recipe, let me know in the comments and tell me what filling you'd like to try next. Until next time, stay hungry, stay happy, and keep cooking with love.